There are lots of reasons to come to Greece. One of the most seductive reasons is to experience a real Greek salad. Total classic. The first thing I'm gonna do is cut my tomatoes. I wanna build my Greek salad. I'm gonna cut my tomato in big chunks. Visiting my aunt for the first time on the island of Ikaria, she had gorgeous tomatoes growing. And she cut one open, and I honestly could not place the aroma. It really was a life-changing experience. I actually think that tomato is what set me on the course of a life in the kitchen. The tomato is very important, and it ties us right back to Athens because it was in this city, the capital of Greek salads, where tomatoes were first planted in Greece. I'm gonna get my cucumber ready. The cucumber adds a really beautiful, refreshing note to the salad. I like to have them really thick like that because they're crunchy. That's what you want. You want really crunchy cucumber. In Greece, the salad, by the way, is not called Greek salad. It's called choriatiki salata, which means Greek village salad. Greek villagers know that they should be eating things in season, and that's a lesson for everyone here. The next thing that goes in here is my green pepper. Layer my peppers next over my Greek salad, and I like to do that kind of decoratively, just to drive home this notion of all these colors, different layers, different textures. These gorgeous red onions. Oh, this looks so good. We are not shy about eating onions in Greece. We love onions. A little bit of salt. Kalamata olives. And this generous portion of feta cheese, the crowning glory of a Greek salad. A very generous amount of Greek olive oil. Look at the color on that. Finally, my Greek oregano. This goes right on top. The first thing you want to do is dig into this, but there's a trick. You want to break up our feta cheese. The whole point of this salad is to get all these ingredients combined with the olive oil. The olive oil, think of as kind of the conduit for all the flavors in this dish. Toss this gently. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I live on this in the summers in Greece. I'm ready to teach you now how to really enjoy Greek salad. So Mikey, bread. We haven't been around for 3,000 years without knowing something about enjoying life. Take your bread and dip into the bottom of the salad bowl. There's a word for this in the language of Homer. It's called papara, and I want you to try to say that. It's an easy word. It's about getting every last literal drop of flavor. Tomato, the feta cheese, and an onion on a forkful. Mmm. Mmm. I never tire of eating this. It's always a fresh flavor for me. As long as you embrace these core ingredients, you can reinterpret a Greek salad any way you want, and I hope you do too at home.